Looking for the best RAM for gaming to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo Series. At the top of the list in our overall pick of DDR5 gaming RAM, we have the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo Series, which provides a great deal of value with a lot of simplicity. It gained an excellent score of 4.5 out of 5 in our review of the RAM, giving us a good overview of what the memory is capable of. It is clearly worth the ranking, looks sleek, and is made of high quality with the cooling metal heatsink it comes with. The specific RAM kit we got hands-on comes with 32 GB of capacity, split across 2 sticks of RAM to work in dual-channel mode. Being a DDR5 set, it does reach some great speeds. Although not at the highest level the standard can reach, it still has a great overclock sitting at 6,000 metric tons per second. As for the CAS latency, the Trident Z5 overall has a CL30 rating and full-range latencies spanning 30-38-38-96 at a power rating of 1.35 V under AMD's Expo. Although not the lowest you can get, it's still a relatively fast option that's just 4 nanoseconds below some of the fastest options out there. Number 2. Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB. On the other hand, if you're after some more speed and personalization, the Corsair Dominator Titanium is the one to go for. It combines a great deal of features and design, even performance, but it does come at a premium price as it encroaches $300. That gives it a 4 out of 5 star rating in our memory review. One of the RAM's standout features is the replaceable heat spreader on top. With the proper blueprint in a 3D printer, you can design and use your own solution on top of the stick to the provided RGB or cooling selection. Just that bit of novelty and design makes it an even better feature to have included in your system to enjoy looking at. The specs of the set we tested show that the capacity is on the higher side, reaching 64 GB across 2 sticks. The overclock speed can achieve a minimum of 6,600 metric tons per second, while the CAS latency sits at a rating of CL32. Number 3. Crucial RAM CT2K8G56C46U5, 16 GB, 5,600 metric tons per second, CL46. Now, if you're just looking to fill out those memory slots and need the more basic DDR5 offering, there are plenty of options to go for, but be wary that you'd be making some compromises going for low prices. In this case, we have gone for Crucial RAM, one that doesn't come with a specific model name but rather a serial number. However, it gets the job done. This particular set is a 16 GB kit, as we recommend going for dual channel, and that capacity is at the minimum recommended for most games and builds. However, if you do decide on a bit more, there are 32 GB kits available, too, for a bit of a boost in capability. It doesn't reach some incredible speeds either, as it advertises an overclock speed of just 5,600 metric tons per second, which, all in all, isn't all that far off some of the more premium options. However, the design is rather basic, and with a bare PCB and no heatsink, it would be best to have excellent case airflow to ensure it doesn't overheat and throttle. Though the RAM's CAS latency is definitely a hard hitter, reaching CL46, it's definitely one of the slowest picks out there that may end up hitting the performance a lot more. But the price is very appealing. With the 16 GB kit coming in at $44 and 32 GB at $80, it is a rather affordable option for building out a recent and relevant system. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance LPX, 16 GB, 3200 MHz, CL16. Now, when it comes to DDR4, there's a very well-renowned bit of memory to go for, topping over 60,000 reviews on Amazon and still receiving an average score of 4.8 stars out of 5. That is the Corsair Vengeance LPX set, an impressive pick made to a high quality from a known brand and living up to all its potential with stability and good specs. For the specs, it comes with a standard 16 GB capacity across 2 sticks. It can be overclocked to 3,200 MHz with the 1.35 V power XMP level, with the more basic frequency at 2,133 MHz. It also provides a decent CAS latency of CL16, which, in comparison to DDR5, is rather quick and fairly common for DDR4. With a relatively simple yet robust design, it's an unassuming pick. It's not flashy but still has a heatsink to keep the temperatures under wraps. With all that, it still doesn't cost too much, thanks to DDR4 being such an older choice now. It has a full price of $50 but can likely be found on sale many times. Number 5. Patriot Viper SteelSeries Performance. If you're after a more budget-friendly pick, there is another choice. The Patriot Viper SteelSeries Performance provides an even lower price point for a similar range of specs. There are plenty of models to choose from, but this particular one has a 16 GB capacity across 2 sticks. It overclocks to 3200 MHz with a 1.35V power supply. It is very similar to the Corsair option, just not as well known, as its CAS latency is rated at CL16 as well. With a much more gunmetal coloring and design, it has a much more intriguing-looking heatsink. That will also help with cooling and keep the performance as it should. That comes in at a price of $36, which is a much more effective way of getting fast and capacious DDR4 memory.